Hey folks, Adam Odell here with Salem, and today I am extremely excited to bring to you an entirely new era of Salem travel trailers. Today I'm proud to bring to you the all-new 2024 22 Aris, and today I will be pointing out 5 key features that separate us from, well, everyone. Follow me, let's get started. Number 1, our beautiful arched doorway, which will provide you an area to hide our pocket door and to give you that nice, beautiful, modern touch that separates us from other brands in the industry. Number 2, first ever dual entertainment center. Place for your television, you have a sound bar and an awesome fireplace and an area below for a shoe nook. Not to mention that you have an entire pantry built in behind it for maximum storage and use for your kitchen space. Now here's the best part. Here's the dual entertainment center. Watch this. Not only is it your entertainment center for the living room, but the way we engineer and design this, there is a magnet place at the top, therefore securing your entertainment center so you now can enjoy it in the bedroom. Are you kidding me? Dual entertainment center, the 22 Aris, is an absolute game changer. Number 3. We live in a climate today where screens are getting larger and larger. And you know what? Windows are getting smaller. Not in the case of the 22 Aris. What we did is we're actually going to expand our windows and give you 60 square feet of windows with 16 linear feet of counter space. I mean, look at this counter space. You can entertain friends, family. Also, along with that, you have all of this open space to enjoy it. This kitchen separates itself from everybody else out there. This is what you're looking for if you want to enjoy camping and maximize your space with your friends and your family. This is it. Number 4, not only do we give you all of this stuff, but in addition to this actual bar you see, this unit, we did not put a slide out on the camping side to maximize exterior camping area for you and your family to enjoy. So now you don't have to worry about it. You can enjoy your awning and have plenty of open space and area on the outside of the camper for you to enjoy. Number 5. Ladies and gentlemen, I am proud to bring to you an entire travel trailer first in the entire industry, the Versa Tilt Inclining Bed System. Not only is it going to incline the bed, but it also maximizes your square footage of the bedroom. Therefore, now you don't have to squeeze and walk around your bed. You have plenty of open floor space. And you get an area where you can actually have a book or a magazine and read at night before you go to bed, and you're not laying down. You're propped up in our brand new Versa Tilt Inclining Bed System. You know what? Enough talking about it. Let me just show you. Thanks again for stopping by and checking out the all-new 2024 Salem 22 Aris. If you want any more information or questions, just go to our website, forestriverinc.com/Salem. Thanks again. We'll catch you on the next one.